How to add a Gmail account to your device. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a Gmail account on your device. So first, you need to open your Gmail app and tap on your profile at the top right. You will see the list of all of your accounts you have, but at the bottom you can see an option to add other account. And here you can choose whether you want to add a Google account, Outlook, Yahoo, or Office 365 account, or even others. So I'm just going to select Google right now. It will check info on your profile and ask you to enter your biometrics or the phone security pin. Once you verify that it's you, it will allow you to enter your email address. So just quickly enter your email address right here. Tap on next. Now it will ask you for your password, so quickly enter your password. Once you have entered your password, you can just tap on next. And if you have set any kind of two-step verification, it will ask you to do that. So I'm just going to verify on my phone right now. And once that is done, just tap on I agree. And you should be signed in, or you have logged into your account successfully. And that is how you can add a Google account to your phone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.